Hey, this is Kalam again here. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn coin from Aliexpress. Then you can convert in US dollar. So first, I am going to Aliexpress. You need to log in here with your Gmail. This is very easy work. I hope you are doing perfectly. So you can see first you need to click on account, then again click on coin. You can see I have already 657 coin equal to 6.57 US dollar. I earned this amount for only 1 week because every day I visit Aliexpress, then I earn everyday coin. You can see today I got 40 coin equal to 40 cent. This is very decent. If you scroll down every day and visit Aliexpress, I guarantee you after 1 or 2 months you have at least 20 to 40 or $50. You can see it's day by day increase. Today I got 40 coin, and second day, I mean tomorrow, if I visit, then I got at 60 coin and 80 coin, 100 coin, 140, and it's day by day increase. So now if you questions me how to use this coin, so you can see I have already uh, 700 coin equal to 697 coin equal to at least $7. If I want to purchase example of this product, then this product price is 694 BDT, I mean Bangladeshi Taka. So if you are living in India, you can see it is Indian rupee or setting US dollar. You are convert it successfully. So now I click on buy now, then scroll down. You can see I save 30 cent using this coin. This is very decent and beautiful. So I really happy for this discount. If you want to use this coin for purchase, this is very good idea. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video are really helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.